Mastering the art of responsible credit card usage. In a world where plastic reigns supreme, mastering the art of responsible credit card usage is more crucial than ever. While credit cards offer convenience and flexibility, they also come with the potential for financial pitfalls if not used wisely. So, how can you ensure that you're using your credit card responsibly? Here are some valuable tips to keep in mind. Know your limits. Before you swipe that shiny piece of plastic, take a moment to consider your financial limits. It's essential to have a clear understanding of how much you can afford to spend and how much you can realistically pay off each month. Set a strict budget and stick to it to avoid falling into the trap of overspending. Pay in full on time. The golden rule of responsible credit card usage is to pay your balance in full and on time every month. Not only does this help you avoid costly interest charges, but it also helps you build a positive credit history. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a due date. Track your spending. It's easy to lose track of your spending when you're swiping your card left and right. Take advantage of budgeting apps or online banking tools to track your purchases in real time. By staying aware of where your money is going, you can identify any areas where you may be overspending and make adjustments accordingly. Beware of temptation. Credit cards can be tempting, especially when faced with enticing rewards programs or limited-time offers. While it's okay to take advantage of these perks occasionally, be wary of falling into the trap of spending just to earn rewards. Remember, the best reward is staying out of debt. Keep your credit utilization low. Your credit utilization ratio, the amount of credit you're using compared to your total available credit, plays a significant role in your credit score. Aim to keep your utilization below 30% to maintain a healthy score. If you find yourself nearing your credit limit, consider making multiple payments throughout the month to keep your balance in check. Be mindful of fees. Credit cards often come with a variety of fees, from annual fees to late payment fees to foreign transaction fees. Familiarize yourself with the terms and conditions of your card, and be mindful of any fees that may apply. Avoid unnecessary fees by paying your balance on time, and avoiding cash advances whenever possible. Think before you borrow. While credit cards can provide a convenient source of short-term financing, they're not free money. Before using your card to make a purchase, ask yourself if it's something you truly need, or if it can wait until you have the cash to pay for it outright. Avoid carrying a balance whenever possible to minimize interest charges. By following these tips and exercising discipline and restraint, you can harness the power of your credit card without falling victim to its pitfalls. With responsible credit card usage, you can build a solid financial foundation and pave the way towards a brighter financial future. Did you find this video helpful? If so, please click on subscribe and like so we can continue to create content for you. Thanks. And please also visit our website at www.debtdetoxadvisors.com.